example, we are being asked to add all combinations of positive and negative 10 and 13. We'll begin by finding all possible values that we can use for this example. So, 10, negative 10, 13, and negative 13. Next, we will find the absolute value of each of these numbers. So, the absolute value of 10 is positive 10. The absolute value of negative 10 is 10. The absolute value of 13 is 13. And the absolute value of negative 13 is also 13. Next, we will find the sum of all possible combinations of these four numbers. So, we'll start with positive 10 and positive 13. Because these numbers are both positive, we know that the answer will also be positive. So, we'll find the absolute value of positive 10, which is 10, and positive 13, which is 13. So, the sum of these two values will give us a positive 23. For the next one, we will add positive 10 and negative 13. Because positive 10 and negative 13 are different signs, we know that the answer will be either positive or negative. We must find the absolute value of both numbers to determine this. So, the absolute value of 10 is 10, and the absolute value of negative 13 is 13. Because 13 is greater than 10, we know that the answer will be a negative number. We then have to find the difference in absolute values. So, the difference between 10 and 13 is 3, giving us an answer of negative 3. For the third expression, we know that the absolute value of negative 10 is 10, and that the absolute value of 13 is 13. Because 13 is greater than 10, we know that the answer will be a positive value. We will find the difference between positive 10 and positive 13, which is 3, to give us an answer of positive 3. For the last expression, we will find the sum of negative 10 and negative 13. We know that these two values are both negative, so therefore the answer will be negative. By finding the absolute value of both numbers, which is going to be negative 10 is 10 and negative 13 is 13, we know that the sum of these two numbers will be negative 23.